So I'd like to thank everybody for coming to our Pepsi Pontiac picnic, and I'd also at the same time like to send a challenge out to all of the other East Market locations: Brian Connolly, Janice Winters, Nick Simmons, and Matt Chatelain. You have 24 hours to do the ALS challenge. So we'll start right now. You ready, John?
Bring it. I love it.
Okay, John. Amanda.
All right, Domino.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
Are you ready, Amanda? That's a nice bucket, too,
I
baby.
don't know.
Oh.
Thanks, John.
You're welcome.
Carrier.
That bucket.
I love you. Oh, that's cool. Did you get that?
Come on, Becky. Suck it up, Becky.
Yeah, Denise. Yeah, Denise.
All right.
Yeah.
Craig's got a hat on. Catch it in your bucket. Really? Don't take that, don't take it. All right.
Language probably wasn't from.
Give it out to Kurt now.
Bring it.
3, 2, 1, go.